How to hide blue tick mark in WhatsApp. So if you want to hide blue tick mark in WhatsApp, then what you need to do is open up your WhatsApp application. Once you've opened your WhatsApp, go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go for the settings. So once you're here on the profile, you need to simply go for the privacy option. Tap on privacy, and under your privacy you will have read receipt option. So if you want to remove the blue tick mark, then what you need to do is, so you need to simply turn off your read receipts option. So if you turn off your read receipts, then you won't send or receive the read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to remove the blue tick mark, then you need to simply turn off the read receipts. But it is not possible in a group chat. So under group chat, your read receipts will not work. It only works for the individual chats. So that's it. That's how you can hide the blue ticks in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.